In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a background color or image in Google Sheets on desktop. This simple yet effective customization can help make your data more visually appealing and easier to interpret. So, let's dive right in and learn how to add a splash of color or even your favorite picture to your spreadsheets. First, let's start with how you can set a background color for your cells. It's a straightforward process, and it's great for organizing data by categories, highlighting important figures, or simply adding some vibrancy to your sheet. Begin by selecting the cells you want to format. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the cells, or if you prefer, hold down the Shift key while selecting specific cells one by one. Once you have your selection, look towards the top of your screen for the toolbar. You need to locate the Fill Color icon, which looks like a small paint bucket. Click on this icon, and you'll see a palette of color options appear. Take a moment to choose the color that best fits your needs. The change will be applied instantly, brightening up those selected cells with your chosen hue. Next, let's talk about setting a background image, which can add a personal touch or help with branding your documents. You'll start by clicking on Insert in the top menu bar of your Google Sheets. A drop-down will appear where you should select Image and then Image over Cells. This option allows you to add an image that will float over the grid of cells you select. You can choose your image from a couple of different sources, either upload one directly from your computer or find an image via a URL. If you're sourcing your image from the web, make sure the URL you use links directly to the picture itself. After you've chosen your image, it will be inserted into your spreadsheet. Chances are you'll need to adjust it so it fits just right. You can resize it by clicking on the image and dragging the corners. Positioning the image is just as easy. Click and hold the image and drag it to your preferred location over the cells. Feel free to adjust until it looks just the way you want. Keep in mind that this image won't affect the data in your cells, but will enhance the overall look of your sheet. And there you have it. Setting a background color or image in Google Sheets on desktop is as easy as that. Whether you're using colors to organize your data or images to personalize the experience, these tools can help bring your spreadsheets to life. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Feel free to drop any questions below, and I'll see you in the next video.